Fasting is a hot topic in health and wellness. And for good reason. It's been associated with a wide range of benefits, from weight loss to boosting your body's health and lifespan. There are many types of fasting methods, such as intermittent fasting and water fasting. Fast mimicking is a recent fasting trend that restricts calories for a set time period. The fasting mimicking diet, or fast mimicking, is a type of intermittent fasting. However, it differs from more traditional types, such as the 16-8 method, though anyone can follow the principles of fast mimicking. Dr. Longo sells a 5-day weight loss program called the Prolonged Fasting Mimicking Diet through Nutra, a nutrition technology company that he started. How does it work? The Prolonged Fasting Mimicking Diet plan includes 5-day, prepackaged meal kits. All meals and snacks are whole food derived and plant-based. The meal kits are low in carbs and protein yet high in healthy fats like olives and flax. During the 5-day period, dieters only consume what's contained within the meal kit. Day 1 of the diet provides approximately 1,090 kcal, while days 2 through 5 provide only 725 kcal. According to one study, the diet is designed to provide 34-54% of normal calorie intake. This calorie restriction mimics the body's physiological response to traditional fasting methods, such as cell regeneration, decreased inflammation, and fat loss. Prolonged recommends that all dieters consult a medical professional, such as a doctor or registered dietitian, before starting the 5-day fast. Foods to eat. The unique combination of nutrients and reduction in calories is meant to trick your body into thinking it's fasting, even though it's being given energy. All foods are vegetarian, as well as gluten and lactose-free. The purchased kit comes with nutritional facts. A 5-day prolonged fasting mimicking diet kit includes nut bars. Meal bars are made from macadamia nut butter, honey, flax, almond meal, and coconut. Algal oil, a vegetarian-based supplement that provides dieters with 200 milligrams of the omega-3 fatty acid DHA. Soup blends, a mix of flavored soups including minestrone quinoa, mushroom, and tomato soup. Herbal tea, spearmint, hibiscus, and lemon spearmint tea. Dark chocolate crisp bar, a dessert bar made with cocoa powder, almonds, chocolate chips, and flax. Kale crackers, a mix of ingredients including flax seeds, nutritional yeast, kale, herbs, and pumpkin seeds. Olives. Olives are included as a high-fat snack. 1 pack is provided on day 1, while 2 packs are provided on days 2 through 5. And R1, a powdered vegetable supplement that delivers a dose of vitamins and minerals that you wouldn't normally consume during a traditional fast. L-Drink. This glycerol-based energy drink is given on days 2 through 5 when your body has started gluconeogenesis. May promote weight loss. A small study completed 3 cycles of the prolonged fasting mimicking diet over 3 months in a control group. Participants in the fasting group lost an average of 6 pounds and experienced greater reductions in belly fat than the control group. Though this study was small and led by the developer of the prolonged fasting mimicking diet, other studies have shown that fasting methods are effective in promoting weight loss. What's more, very low-calorie diets have been proven to encourage weight loss. Still, evidence that the prolonged fasting mimicking diet is more effective than other low-calorie diets or fasting methods is currently lacking. May reduce blood sugar and cholesterol levels. The same small study that linked fast mimicking to fat loss also observed that the fasting mimicking diet group experienced a significant drop in blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Cholesterol was reduced by 20 milligrams per deciliter in those with high cholesterol levels, while blood sugar levels dropped into the normal range in participants who had high blood sugar at the beginning of the study. These results were also demonstrated in animal studies. 4 days of the diet every week for 60 days prompted regeneration of damaged pancreatic cells, promoted healthy insulin production, reduced insulin resistance, and led to more stable levels of blood glucose in mice with diabetes. Although these results are promising, more human studies are needed to determine the diet's impact on blood sugar. May reduce inflammation. In a study on people practicing alternate day fasting for the religious holiday of Ramadan, pro-inflammatory cytokines were significantly lower during the alternate day fasting period, compared to the weeks before or after. One animal study found that the fasting mimicking diet may be effective at reducing certain inflammatory markers. Mice with multiple sclerosis were placed on either the fasting mimicking diet or a ketogenic diet for 30 days. The prolonged fasting mimicking diet is a high-fat, low-calorie intermittent fasting diet that may promote fat loss and reduce blood sugar, inflammation, and cholesterol, similar to other fasting methods. Still, only one human study has been carried out to date, and more research is needed to validate its benefits.
That's it for today. Check out the channel for more health and weight loss content. You can also purchase our weight loss course. And please, like and subscribe to be notified of our next tip. See you next time.